The Sound Power Level Interactive Calculator helps engineers convert between acoustic power measurements and analyze sound sources in various configurations. Let's explore the input fields. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can choose sound power to sound power level, sound power level to sound power, sound pressure level from power, sound power from pressure measurement, combined power level for multiple sources, or SPL at distance from power level. For this demonstration, I'm using sound power to sound power level. The input fields include sound power in watts, sound power level in dB, distance from source in meters, sound pressure level in dB, measurement distance in meters, directivity factor Q with a default of 1, and power levels in dB, separated for multiple sources. Here's our example. I'll enter 10 watts for sound power. After clicking calculate, the results show a sound power level of 130 dB. The status indicates this is an extremely loud source, comparable to jet engines or heavy industry. This conversion helps engineers understand that 10 watts of acoustic power produces an incredibly intense 130 dB sound power level. This tool streamlines acoustic calculations for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.